If you're looking for the perfect pair of earbuds, I have got you covered. I'm Kurt the CyberGuy, and we've all got different needs when it comes to wireless earbuds. Maybe you're just using them to work from home on a Zoom call, or maybe you need them to stay in your ears through a workout. No matter what your lifestyle calls for, here are our top picks for the earbuds of the year. First up, the Apple AirPods Pro 2nd generation. They are the choice if you are looking for noise cancellation and immersive sound while listening to anything. They come with what's known as an H2 chip, which provides spatial audio for the listener and makes for an incredible listening experience. While they do have active noise cancellation if you want to block the world outside, you can also go into transparency mode if you want to hear what you're listening to and hear what's going on around you. You can use touch control to adjust the volume, and you can also charge them in a handy charging case that has a built-in speaker on it. Next up, Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. These are an amazing choice for anyone looking for a long-lasting earbud. They have continuous sound for up to 11 hours at a time without charging, and once you do charge them, just 3 minutes plugged in will give you a whole hour of listening time. These Samsung Galaxy earbuds also come with an internal and external microphone, so your voice will never be drowned out by outside noise if you're on an important call. And while they're Samsung, they're compatible with both Apple and Android devices. Moving on, if the Apple AirPods Pro aren't for you, there are the 3rd generation of the original Apple AirPods. They're another quality release from the Megatech company and have a ton of the same features, including personalized spatial audio and the Find My integration, so you never lose the pair of earbuds. The case is MagSafe friendly, and one charge gets you about 30 hours of listening time, plus tons of other cool features. I have lots on AirPods over at cyberguy.com. Just search AirPod. My next top pick, Arc Open Ear True Wireless Earbuds by Clear Audio. They're great for safe listening, so you don't damage your eardrum while listening to some music at high volume. The open ear design allows you to hear your surroundings naturally while still enjoying whatever you're listening to without blocking or damaging your ear canal. The designers at the San Diego-based company put a hinge on it that's flexible. It goes over your ear as well so that they won't fall out even though you're not going directly into your ear. They also have a touch control feature so you can answer and end calls, adjust volume, and change tracks without taking your phone out. Moving on, the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro have one of the best features of all. They're water resistant. They're protected for up to 3 feet of immersion for up to 30 minutes and come with all the other features you'd want from high-quality earbuds as well. Finally, the Tangri Bluetooth True Wireless Earbuds. These are all the talk thanks to their charging case that features an LED power display and 60-hour playback that shows the power level of the charging case and earbuds right on it. The earbuds also have a nano coating that can prevent water and sweat from penetrating, so these are great for athletes to use during a workout. They've got one-step pairing and easy touch control so you can connect with the device as soon as you open the charging case. They also come in 3 sizes, which is great for fitting in different ear shapes. For more of my reviews, head to cyberguy.com and be sure to sign up for my free newsletter to get my top picks straight to your inbox.